I mean, the whole aspect of running track is we're working really hard. And something special about like being with my teammates and working hard together is that like we've all gone through trials together. We've all like experienced really tough things together. And when like all your relationships are built on something like that, they're pretty strong. We just took our first spring break trip and we went to Myrtle Beach. It was a blast. We all just had a great time hanging out on the beach. Everybody got burnt. It was a lot of fun. We do a lot of like board games. We used to do like a Bible study. But yeah, honestly, we usually just hang out. Like our practice is really long. It's like 3 hours a day. So we just hang out whenever we can. I've made so many close relationships. My roommate is on my team. It's definitely the best part of running track. So.